So here are my quick tips in buying a property or ng bahay. Good morning, good learning everyone. This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. I'm a licensed broker. I've been in the real estate industry since 2009. So here are my quick tips in buying a property or ng bahay. Para alam ng real estate broker or ng sales agent ang i-offer nilang property sa inyo. Whether house, townhouse, condominium, or other properties. Second, your choice of locations. The premium the area, the higher the price. So, depending talaga sa budget, just yung gusto nilang location. Third, ano pong terms natin? Full cash, bank financing, installment, or in-house financing. Kasi may mga sellers na prefer nila ang cash or bank financing. Ayaw ng pag-ibig or ng in-house financing. Fourth, maghanap po tayo ng credible na mag-assist po sa atin. A real estate licensed broker, real estate brokerage firm, or a licensed real estate salesperson. Fifth, pag may nagustuhan na po tayong property, mag-due diligence na po muna tayo bago tayo magbayad. Panoorin po nila ang isa kong video kung paano po tayo mag-due diligence. Lastly, pag okay na po lahat, contact now your real estate broker or your real estate agent for appointment kay seller. Paki-mention na rin po ang preferred terms nila at paki-ready na po ang pang-payment nila. For terms at expenses sa pagbili ng property, kindly watch my other video na lang po. Kung nakatulong po sa inyo ang video na to, please type yes sa comment section below. Para safe po ang ating transaction, please continue to watch my other videos. Pasuyo na lang din po pa-like, follow and subscribe our social media platforms. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa ating lahat.